Good afternoon. Welcome to jimmunley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 11th to the 25th. For January 11th to the 15th, this is what we're forecasting here. We have above normal heights or a ridge here over the Eastern Pacific, the West Coast, across Canada to Greenland, with negative height anomalies across the Arctic. Blocking over Greenland will allow Arctic air mass continuing into the northeast, and this upper low will slowly lift out. And I want to show you this here. This is, let me see if I have the map. Okay, right here. This is a HY split trajectory, and this is where the cold air came from that we're having. It started in the Pacific, came down, went up, grabbed the Arctic air, and brought it down into our area. I picked New York City here, and into the Northeast. So this is all snow covered. It's very cold. So I just wanted to point that out. Okay. Concerning the low pressure system that we have developing in the Gulf of Mexico, we're going to go here to Thursday. Here's the mess down here. Thursday, 7 p.m. tomorrow. Here's the broad area here of rain. This here is mixed precipitation or ice, and this is snow. Okay, now we're looking at the GFS. This is the European AI. This is European ensembles. And this is the European operational and the GFS. Now we go forward in time. We start seeing a low pressure system here now developing here in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Heavy rain here across this area here. Brief, hardly, it might be a thin line here. So I'm showing up in the models where mixed precipitation. And this will be heavy rain here. And then it goes to snow. And it could be pretty heavy here across this area. And then we go to 7 p.m. Friday night. This is where it is. And then we go to 7 a.m. on Saturday. And it's off. We go here to early Saturday morning. Then we're here Saturday night, and it's offshore. Now, here's a brief area of icing. This here is rain. This will be light snow. So light snow here across this area. Now, it's forecast to go off to the east. Does it come up the East Coast? There's a chance, but it's a slim chance. This is the GFS. So we go to 7 p.m. Saturday, and it's gone. Now, none of the models are showing. It's like something like a 15% chance of it curving northeastward along the coast. If it did, it would be one heck of a nor'easter. But right now, all the models are showing it to be going offshore. All right. And then after that, the weather pattern settles down. Okay. In the northwest, we will have several systems moving in. You can see one moving into the northwest now here with snow. And then we go to Saturday, and then we go into Sunday. Now, with this flow, it'll be generally quiet across much of the country, and much of the precipitation will be around the Great Lakes. But there'll be several fronts that will be in this northern stream that'll come eastward, and you can see that the precipitation is pretty limited. But if it does form, it should be snow. Okay, but it's very limited. It'll be sparse. Like I said, most of the precipitation will be around the Great Lakes. Okay, we're going to look at the period for January 16th to 20th. And we still have our ridge here over the Eastern Pacific, the west, above normal heights here, kind of mixed here across the Arctic now. And most of the models are showing pretty much the same thing. So for this forecast period, I am, what happened to my maps? Okay, I gotta bring it up. Okay, closed my maps by accident. All right, for precipitation, for temperatures, calling for above normal temperatures here with anomalies near 8 degrees above normal, mainly in the orange, and below normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies near 10 degrees below normal, mainly across this area here. For precipitation, I am calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. We're going to look at the period for January 21st to the 25th. Still, we have our ridge here in the west, troughing here, broad trough here, covering, you can see where it comes down, covers much of the country. But we have this upper low over Hudson Bay, and we have negative height anomalies here near over Greenland now, positive height anomalies here. So they're mixed across the Arctic. So for now, I am calling for little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, and much of the area east of the Mississippi Valley. And the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Okay, that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 11th to 25th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.